back to the channel. Today I have a product review for you. Got this Black Max chainsaw right here. Had a tree fall down, part of a tree, and needed a chainsaw, so went to Walmart. This was $128. This is a 16-inch. Figured I'd do a product review, even though this is a automotive channel 99% of the time. Every once in a while I like to throw in a product review. So let's open this thing up. Also bought some 2-cycle mixed gas because apparently we have a gas shortage. Everybody in town sold out. So anyways, bought that while I was there. And that's it. Let's open this thing up and we're gonna get over there and cut that tree up. Real quick before I get started, at the store, when these things are stacked, the bars go into each other's box. So you see the bar for the one next to this one was in this box. So be careful when you're at the store. Don't snatch them off the shelf because they will fall down together. There you go. I was hoping it was in a case, but it just came with this bar guard here, which actually is on there pretty good. I'm using my other hand. Then you have your wrench and some 2-cycle oil. Also have some bar oil, some chain oil. Let's see what this looks like, see if there's anything in there. Okay, so the chain oil does come empty. And then it says 50-to-1 fuel. So let's go ahead and put some fuel in it. And I do have some chain and bar oil there, so I'm going to go ahead and pour that in and pour my fuel in. Now, I am not a trained professional. Make sure you read your manual before operating this thing. I'm just going to show you the basics and what I think about it real quick. No spill. Okay, so went ahead and filled up my fuel and my chain oil, and just have a kill switch here. They want you to pump the bubble 10 times per the owner's manual. I was talking so I didn't count properly. But anyway, I think that's close enough. Now, another feature it has is a brake. So you have a chain brake on this. This also has a brake on it for the chain, and you just push it back to engage it and then release it just like that. And you see this red thing here, that's what it's actually moving. Then also, let me go ahead and pull this cover off. All right, you can see our chain appears to be tightened properly, so no adjustment needs to be made off the get-go. The plastic feels, you know, not like a steel or something. You can see this plastic here, looks like a cheaper type of plastic. That's our choke. So we're gonna go ahead and fully engage our choke. We're about to start it up. But yeah, that just feels kind of cheap. This plastic feels the same, all kind of cheap plastic, but you know, this thing's about 1/3 of what a steel cost. So I think that's about it as far as, yeah, it's got a little vibration dampener, a little spring right there for your handle, adjustment for your chain, basic stuff. Let's go ahead and fire it up. 10 pumps on our bubble, full choke, eyes, ears. See what it does. First startup is good. We're gonna head on over here to this tree, get some work done. Nice. Works good. Forgot to mention, I think this is a 37cc. All right, there we go. Did the job, so let's assess this thing. Don't think we have any problems though. 128 bucks. Wally World. Yep. A little bit more looseness to the chain to be expected. She's dirty. We need to clean her off. Probably yelling because I had headphones on. But I am breathing a little heavy, I ain't gonna lie. It's a little warm out here, but chainsaw did what it's supposed to do. Did its job. Hard to say about longevity, but for today, 128 bucks. My other option was I think Home Depot had some brand that I never heard of that was like 170. So anyways, this is what I chose. Hopefully she lasts for me, but today got the job done. I need to clean this up. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I had a good time. I like messing with chainsaws, but anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you next time.